Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris, and well, there are a lot of very rare items in my LEGO collection. From the original Mr. Gold minifigure, which you can see right here, to even some of the most special LEGO employee gifts and stuff from overseas that were region exclusives, I am on a quest to collect some of the rarest LEGO items ever. But none of them quite top this item right here, which to date is one of, if not the rarest, single LEGO item that I own. So this is set number 4000031. It is the exclusive T-Rex from Jurassic World. It was released in 2018 to coincide with the second movie, and only 500 copies of this exist in the world, making it one of the rarest LEGO items ever. Now, I paid $3,400 for this one LEGO item, and I was just able to get it for my collection, which is super exciting because this finally completes my collection of LEGO dinosaurs and animals, which we can see a shelf full of T-Rexes here, particularly from the LEGO Dino and Jurassic World theme. So what exactly is the story behind this exclusive T-Rex? Well, you see, specifically in Europe, to coincide with the launch of the second Jurassic World movie, LEGO held a promotion where if you spent a certain amount of money on a specific toy retailer in Europe, specifically in Belgium, you had a chance to enter a lottery to win 1 out of 500 copies of this particular item. I was actually in Belgium at the time that they ran this. I did enter the lottery, but unfortunately I did not win it. So I had to go to the aftermarket and pick up this set for pretty much the cheapest price I could find it for. Right now, if you want a copy on Bricklink, be prepared to spend up to or over $4,000 US. So I got a fairly good deal for this, in my opinion, and I am so excited to open it up and showcase it with all of you. Now, with this set, we have an exclusive color of the T-Rex that is never appearing in any other set. It also has a nice display stand, but obviously the thing that you're really getting here is the exclusive T-Rex. I find it quite interesting how they actually advertise the standard T-Rex on the back of the box, saying that you can find the standard color in this other set from Jurassic World, but this is the really special one. It's the only image we have of the set, and it's a very odd box size as well. It's a quite strange dimension box. It's a really interesting one, but now with this, I can finally 100% complete my collection of LEGO dinosaurs, because you saw the T-Rexes, which are over there, but as we make our way back to this area, you may notice that I have a massive wall display for all of the other dinosaurs, from the flying creatures like the pteranodons and pterodactyls, to some of the larger creatures right here, to the triceratops and the raptors, a whole collection of different raptors. I have been on a quest to collect every single different kind of LEGO dino yet, and after putting up this display, only one was missing, which was this exclusive T-Rex. So I am so excited to jump over to the review studio, unbox this for the first time, and give what I believe to be one of the only reviews of this incredibly rare item on YouTube. Let's go. Alright, so upon unboxing this, these are the contents of the exclusive T-Rex set. You have the T-Rex itself, which obviously is the star of the show, still fully sealed up in the bags. And then we have a pile of bricks here for the display stand, and of course the instruction manual. So this is my first time going through all of this, but obviously the build is very simple. It just shows you how to put together the T-Rex itself, and then there it is, fully complete. I'm curious if there's anything in the back, but no advertisements, no nothing. This is really just the very simple instruction manual for this little T-Rex model by itself. Still don't really know why this even was made. I don't know why LEGO made it such a limited design. I just really don't know what the whole story was behind this. But yeah, as you can see here, let's open up the T-Rex itself and get it built for the first time unboxing on camera. So let's get all our parts out here. And here we go. Okay, so this is a pretty interesting design that honestly doesn't really come across super well on the box art of just how different it is. It is a very striking heat orange or flame yellowish orange design here. You have all just the standard molds for the T-Rex, but every single one has been recolored for a special print. I really like the contrast between the kind of nougat color up at the top in comparison with the heat orange or flame yellowish orange down here. And of course the black spots really really do make this feel very realistic to me. Obviously, this does not represent a specific dinosaur from the Jurassic World series or franchise, but this really is just by itself one of the most interesting dinosaur creatures that LEGO has made just because of its exclusivity. So now let's just put together the stand so we can review this all at once. Alright, so here he is, the exclusive T-Rex on the display stand. It is a really impressive color for the dinosaur, and obviously the build is nothing special, it is just a standard display, but I do appreciate that they did actually include some part of building into the set itself. They easily could have just packaged the T-Rex by itself, but they did try to go above and beyond and give him a specialized display stand, and I do really appreciate that. I also like how you can fit the display stand on top of the box, so if I wanted to display it with the box, I could very easily just kind of put it on top and call it good, like so. All in all, obviously nothing too much to say about a review of this model. What you see is basically what you get. It's just really cool having this in my hands because this is easily the rarest LEGO animal that has ever been created, obviously the rarest T-Rex and whatnot, and probably the single most expensive item I have in my collection. Now, I love T-Rexes, I love dinosaurs, and while I'm not the biggest fan of the Jurassic World movies, I always liked the way that LEGO did these dinosaurs, so I just had to pick this up. Now, who knows, maybe this has just opened the door for me to maybe start getting stuff like Comic-Con exclusives or stuff like that. I don't own any yet. If you do own any and want to sell, let me know down in the comments below, but as of right now, this is the rarest item I've bought, and I'm always looking to expand my collection. Now, what we'll do is we'll end the video on a series of a couple of close-ups and turnarounds of this particular dinosaur because I know a couple people do want to see this, or probably a lot of people want to see this in a lot higher detail and just see what exactly this all includes. So let's just kind of put them on a turntable here and let the dinosaur model speak for itself. As you can see here, we've got the nice dual blend between the nougat color and the flame yellowish orange. The black markings are printed really well and look very realistic on the top of the dinosaur spots. I love the mottled pattern that it has around the scales here, and the scales are not super juniorized. Sometimes the dinosaurs for certain T-Rex lines for Jurassic World do tend to feel very simplified, but this one is really, really good in the way it works. I like the contrast of the nougat arms here for this particular T-Rex, just looking good overall. And yeah, this is the fantastic exclusive T-Rex. And I'm very curious to know if any of you down in the comment section owns this model. Were you able to win it but when it was really exclusively being held as a free gift surprise, or enter the lottery for the free gift back in Belgium and in Europe in certain countries? Have you ever picked it up secondhand? And if so, how much did you pay for it? Right now, again, the average price of this is over $4,000. I paid less than that because I was able to work out a deal, but it was still a very, very significant amount for this particular model. Very happy to add it to my collection, but man, that one definitely hurts the wallet. Now, I think that about sums up our look at this T-Rex. Let me know down in the comments below if you think an exclusive item like this is worth it. Again, only 500 of these exist in the world, which is why I personally felt like it was worth it to get a very special exclusive item to add to my collection. You may disagree, and honestly, spending this much money on any amount of plastic is kind of ridiculous anyways. I was really only able to do it thanks to all of your support with YouTube ad revenue that went pretty much directly into getting this model. So thank you all so much for watching Duckbrick's videos. I would not be able to do this without you, and yeah, I really appreciate the viewership. Let me know what you think of this model, and I'm so happy to have such an impressive piece to add to my collection, especially because I want to open a LEGO museum one day, and this would be perfect as one of the rarest items in my own LEGO museum. Alright, and with that, we have summed up our look at the exclusive T-Rex, probably one of the most expensive single items in my collection. So excited to finally have been able to add this to my collection of LEGO dinosaurs. And now that I have this, look out for a video coming very soon on the top 10 rarest and most expensive dinosaurs. I'll give you 10 guesses what will be at the top of the list, but I certainly am excited to put that out and showcase it alongside all of the other T-Rexes. Probably am going to have to come up with some sort of special display for this, given how special it is. It will probably be one of the few sets that I actually do display with the box itself. I don't normally keep a lot of LEGO boxes, but this one obviously is something I will be keeping, opening very carefully, and will be going towards my future LEGO museum because it easily is one of the rarest LEGO items ever. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know down in the comments below if you're one of the other 499 people in the world who owns one of these. Would love to hear your experience about getting it, if you're able to win it in the raffle or buy it secondhand. And let me know down in the comments below, what do you think of this creature, and do you think it is worth $3,400? Honestly, probably not, but it's good to finally complete the dino collection with this very special exclusive T-Rex print. With that, we have summed up this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this special look at a very exclusive LEGO set. Be sure to like and subscribe for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very soon. Thanks so much, and bye for now.